Yeah.
Here, wait.
I think that'll help keep it from.
Did you take the cap off?
Yes. Why?
I'm filming.
Oh.
Start the countdown. What's the tape for?
There's the Dr. Pepper.
You need help?
And I'm up here.
Abby's up on the hill. Think that can twist on, right, Jake?
No,
It doesn't? I thought I saw.
that's what it looks like at first.
Oh. Is that the directions to tape it?
I don't know, I didn't read them.
I think reading them would have
You're
helped.
supposed to make sure it doesn't fly off. Or fall off.
Well, if the experiment's ready, it really won't matter. You can just drop one in.
Hopefully
Triggering.
this works.
Don't pull too hard.
Oh!
That was awesome.
I turned it on its side. I couldn't even get the whole thing
It
in.
did work. Really did
So how
work.
much soda's left in there?
You don't think it's any good?
No.
About a
No,
quarter
not very much.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering. There
It has
doesn't.
to spew out.
Get the focus
Yep.
on there. There's only about a inch left.
Awesome.
So what does that do to your stomach when you have Mentos
Oh,
and...
no, there's more
I
than
don't
that.
know.
Well, one of these videos is a guy chewing the
Here, let's see
Mentos
how much. Yep.
and the soda. They're foaming out
Still the Mentos inside of it.
Yep. Yep.
Yep, they're still in there.
Oh,